Hey guys, welcome to Mike Johnson's Hickory Toyota. This is the Express Center. My name's Nathaniel. One good part about coming up here is that we've always got the factory trained technicians doing quality service on your car. But along with that, we got the great amenities that are here at this building and also our main building. Treat popcorn's always popping, it's always hot. Got fresh sodas, got fresh water, it's always cold. Hot coffee. Guys, come and see us. We'd love to have you.
Good afternoon, I'm David Price. I'm the parts director here at Mike Johnson's Hickory Toyota, and I just want to take a moment to introduce you to Mike Johnson Hickory Toyota Parts. Our parts department hours are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday, and 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. We're a fully stocked parts department carrying over $300,000 worth of parts, and we also have an accessory department. We're fully capable of accessorizing your new or used vehicle with remote start, heated seats, wheels and tires, running boards, lift kits, and all kinds of things. Come and give us a chance, check us out, let's try to help you.